Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darshil Contractor. So in this video, I'm going to discuss some must-have Amazon have, so you can get at a very convenient rate, or it is a high rate with good quality, and everything will be very honest. And yes, so continue watching the video. Before starting the video, one thing I want to confirm is, in this video, the things which I am portraying or showing to you are not sponsored by any brand or any company. These are the things and equipments which I am personally using it. So don't be like it is a paid collaboration. Don't think like that, and continue watching. So the number one equipment is not in my hand, but it is behind my camera. It is the ring light which I had bought from the Amazon. I got that ring light in a very cheaper rate, and one thing I like the most is the different tones which I can set. Like let me show you the tones. You can if you want more warm, then you can try this. If you want less, if you want the whites to be more displaying, and you can adjust it according to you. And that's why I like this product a lot, and it's a must have for me at least, and for those who are in photography, for those it's a very blessing. It is very travel friendly. The size is a little bit big, but the weight of the equipment is very less, and so you can travel with it at anywhere because it is very compatible and fit in your bag, in this size bag at least. So it's a very good deal you can get on Amazon. So the next thing is this Abronics mouse. If you can see it, the Abronics mouse. So it has a very big backstory in it. जब मैंने इस चैनल नया स्टार्ट किया था, तब I was very much conscious about कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट लेने चाहिए, कौन से बेस्ट रेट्स में अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स आ सकते हैं. And I was very much confused because there were many brands which have very good product, very good this mouse, but the rate of that mouse were very much costly. It was like 1200, 1300 per mouse, and I was feeling like it's quite expensive because I was just new in this world. So, but thankfully I got this Abronics mouse. It is a USB mouse which is from behind. You can use it. You see it's a little pin here with it. You can put it here so it can't get lost. And it is a very nice because the quality of the product is very good, and the rates are also very much low. So if you want a good deal in mouse with a very low cost, then this is the thing you are required. Moving on to the third. The third equipment is these stainless steel straw. As you can see, they are in 4 different. So they come in these 4 different shapes and sizes. The best part of this straw is they are made up of stainless steel, so there is no chance of corrosion, and जो हिंदी में या फिर गुजराती में कहते हैं कि काट खाई जाए छे, वो there is no possibility in this. And another major part is the cleaner which comes with this straw. Like you can see, if you drink a fruit juice, and every like oranges and lime, they have pulp in them, so the pulp might get stuck in this straw, but you can clean with the cleaner. As you can see, you can go like this, and from both the side you can place it off, and you can wash, and it is ready to use it. So this is the must have. And another best part is it is a very low cost. Like I got it in around 200 rupees when it was a sale or offer. So I got it in a very good deal, and I hope you people also get in a very good deal. So the next product is this SanDisk pen drive. This is of 256 GB because I need more storage capacity for my photography and videos, because I usually prefer to have large, or you can say more storage equipments, and it was there in an offer So I got it around like 5,000 rupees. Though for some people it's quite expensive, but trust me, it's way worth it every penny. Because obviously for iPhone users, आपके लिए जो भी आपका फोटोज वीडियोस फाइल्स ट्रांसफर करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है, बिकॉज ड्यू टू एंड्रॉयड iOS और एंड्रॉयड टू मतलब iOS to Windows PC, and this thing could solve your problem. If you see it as an investment and not in a great cost, then this is for you, and trust me, it's a bless for me, because I'm using it for now. It's like I'm using it for like from 1 year, and it's not even damaged from either any side, so you can have it. So the next equipment is this gloves. I don't know the brand exactly. These are the gloves which I usually wear while I go to gym. You people can use it while cycling, or if you are going gym, then it's a must have, because obviously if a person is not wearing gloves and he touches the dumbbells, the germs might get attached to you and you might get sick. So the gloves are a savior, and the best part is while wearing it, you can you can see these two fingers. So while wearing it, you can use your mobile phone, so you don't have to remove the gloves from the hand, so that it can save your a lot time, because it's very pestering कि आप लोग को पहले gloves निकालना पड़ता है, then you have to pick up and then wear it again. So this problem is saved by this glove. So my next equipment is this AB Shutter Bluetooth photo clicking. I usually prefer to click natural photos, and it is a bless for me, because obviously कोई हो सकता है if you are solo traveling and no one is there to click your picture, so you just place your phone here and like simple give a pose and click pictures, and it is a very small in size, तो ये कैमरा में दिखेगा भी नहीं. And trust me guys, मैंने अपने बहुत, when it was quarantine and no one was there to click my pictures, no one, my friends, like my family members were not there to click my pictures, this was my savior in that time, and I had used it a lot, because obviously self-clicking is way more satisfying than कोई और आपके लिए पिक्चर क्लिक करे और मे बी वो अच्छी ना हो. then it's a savior for those introvert people like me. Okay, so my next product is the Basus, or some people say Bayus. I had searched the pronunciation which said Bayus, and I don't think I can pronounce it well, so I'm sorry if I'm wrong. It is an iPhone charger. तो आपको पता ही होगा कि एप्पल यूज़र के लिए एप्पल का चार्जर एट अ कन्वीनियंट रेट मिलना इज़ वेरी रेयर थिंग, बिकॉज जब when I had been to Apple store, it was like this, they say कि एक सिर्फ वायर के लिए we have to pay around 3,500 4,000 rupees, which was quite expensive for me. So I was just binging the Amazon app, and I saw this wire. I read the review. The review was very much good, and the personal opinion and personal review for this is, मैं इस वायर को I am using it for like 2 years, and it's not even like, you know, regular wires जो होते हैं जो यहाँ end से they get break or they get fold, but this is, you can see that I am using it since 2 years and it's not even break or crack or been folded from either any side. And another major part is it's very long. Like you can see it's not even fitting in my big hands, and it's of 2 meter. You can get it for 1 meter. It's available there, and the price is also very much around. It's a good deal on Amazon you can get, and trust me, this is worth it every single penny. So the next equipment is, I am using it. It is in my camera, the small SanDisk. I'm displaying here. It's a SanDisk micro SD card of 256 GB. sorry if the clarity got deteriorated, but the camera footage got lost, and so I have to reshoot it again. So I was talking about the 256 GB SanDisk SD card. The SD card is very useful, and trust me guys, I am using it for like 2 months, and it has a good storage, and the quality of the product was also good. The packaging was very nice. SanDisk has done a very good job, but you can also go for Samsung or any other brands, because the reviews I had read about that brand were also good, but I want to prefer SanDisk, so I had bought that. But you can also buy any other brands because they are also very nice in quality. Here I am ending the video. If you like, then do hit the like button, and if you're new on this channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Yes, if you like, then share it with your friends, share it with your family. This is a must-have video which I personally, the things which I mentioned are personally used by me, and for me it's an approval and right to go things. There are also many things on Amazon, and Amazon has always great deals, offers and discounts, so you can go and check their collection and wide range of equipments you like, whether in terms of clothes, mobiles, brands, accessories, anything you can get from A to Z, everything you can get on Amazon. So do check. It is www.amazon.in, or you can check out on app as well. So here I'm ending this video. If you like, then you know what you have to do, and bye.